Okay, we're going to go through the array strategy. So you're going to multiply 46 times 5. One factor, your 5 is going to go to this side because this is the smaller side, this is the smaller factor. Up top, we're going to put 46 in expanded form. So 40 and 6. And then we need to go through and we need to figure what are we going to multiply in each of these boxes. So the factor 5 and the factor 40 we're going to multiply in this box. 5 times 40. And in the other box we're going to multiply 5 times 6. So instead of multiplying 5 by 40, we're going to do 5 times 4, and then we're going to add in our 0 placeholder. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then we look to count how many zeros we have. We have 1 0, so we're going to add 1 additional 0, so our answer is 200. Now we have 5 times 6. 5 times 6, our product is 30. And now we have to add these two numbers together. So when we add them together, we have to make sure to line them up correctly. So we're going to have our 200 plus 30. So I have to line up my tens place and my ones place. Start in the ones, 0 plus 0 is 0. Tens, 3 plus 0 is 30. And the hundreds place, 2 plus 0 is 2. So our product for the factors 46 times 5 equals 230.